Good morning, everyone. This is Miss Western. I'm posting this on Monday, January 18th, but of course, we don't have school today. If you're seeing this on, Tuesday, January 19th, I just want you all to know that it is officially the second semester of the school year now. Okay, so we are finally going to start some new content. We left off with Unit 4 before break, and then we're starting on Unit 5 this week. Okay, also for anybody that is new to this class, welcome. Most of you all probably aren't, but for anybody that is new, of course, welcome. And this is U.S. history. Hopefully, you enjoy this class. If you have any questions, just email me, private message me. If you want to get to know me on our website, which I'll show you in a second how to get to this, you can go to About Your Teacher, and there's going to be a little video, a little introduction video that I did a while back. Okay, so to start off, again, this is second semester, so we're basically starting new. So this is going to be week 1 of our second semester. So this Google Classroom or this little classroom website that I'm showing you right now is going to be, it looks the same pretty much, but it is a different link and all that. Okay. So here's our class meet times. If you need help with, knowing when or what days you meet and what times, they're here, but also they're on our Google Classroom. So if you go to here, you'll see, period, Tuesday, Thursday, 9:30. It'll literally tell you what days, the times we meet. And if you need help knowing where to log in, at the top of our Google Classroom, okay, all you have to do is go to, first period. If you're in first period, right here it says meet link. This is what you'll click to join our meet, okay? So you'll join that on these days and times depending on what period you have. So if your first period, of course, Tuesday, Thursday, 9 to 9:30, and so on. Second period, Tuesday, Thursday, 10 to 10:30, and all that. Okay, so that's not changing. All the times and days are the same as last semester. If you were at Western last semester, of course. So all that's the same. There's nothing different. This class is going to be the same setup, okay? The only difference is, again, we're going to have a different Google Classroom. All right, so our old Google Classrooms are about to get deleted once grades are in for this first semester, and then we're switching to our second classrooms. Again, nothing that different. So if we go to classwork, we're starting with week 1. Here's our dates. We're in Unit 5 now. Okay, so I want to show you how to get to this classroom real quick. Okay, this little Google website that'll help you a little bit. So if you go to NTI portal, so it says JCPS NTI support Google sites. Go here, click here to access school NTI sites. Make sure you're in your JCPS email when you're doing this as well. You'll go to Western High. And then this is when you're going to see all of your teachers' classrooms, or I'm sorry, not classrooms, but Google websites. Hopefully, most of them are updated. Mine is right here. So you'll go under social studies to be Western. Click here, and this will take you to our class website. All right. So, again, here's our schedule. Classwork. This is where you're going to find each week what's going to be due. So, this week, of course, it's going to be the front loading video, which is this video I'm talking in now. This front loading video is going to be posted every Monday as usual. So, this will tell you everything that's expected of you during this week. Typically, they're really short. Sometimes, if there's more that we need to go over, I might go over, do like a little mini lesson. It just totally depends. Again, typically it'll just be a quick, like, hey, this is what you got to do this week. Make sure you get it in by this day, and so on. Okay. Um, so going to units real quick, and then we'll come back. We are, again, Unit 5. So in Unit 5, we're starting this week our whole compelling question. And our compelling question is the overall topic of the whole unit. So this whole unit, we're wanting to come back to this idea of, was the New Deal really a good deal? Okay, so these 3 supporting questions will help us answer this overall compelling question. All right, so the supporting question that we're going over, this week and then half of next week is what were the major causes of the Great Depression. All right. And then after that, we'll go over supporting question number 2, which was what was the New Deal? And then supporting question number 3 after that was how did the response of the U.S. government to the Great Depression compare to European countries? Okay. So again, this week and half of next week, we're talking about major causes of Great Depression. So going back to classwork, so this week, January 19th to the 22nd, you got to do your front loading video. Again, this video I'm talking in now. We're going to go over the start of the Great Depression lecture and assignment. And we will go over this assignment either on Tuesday and Wednesday, depending on what day you have class. So you have class with me on Tuesday and Wednesday. I'm sorry. Then we will be going over this. And then, depending if you have class on Thursday or Friday, we'll go over this assignment, causes and impacts of the Great Depression. Okay. And that's basically going to be the setup for every week. All right. There's typically a front loading video, and then there's, unless there's something different, then we're typically going to have 2 bigger assignments, and we'll do one of each on each class meet that we have each week. Okay. So, the first one we'll do Tuesday, Wednesday, second one Thursday, Friday. All right, guys. Other than that, hopefully I went over everything. If there's questions that you have for me, either private message me, email me, or just log on our live session this week and ask me, either before or after class. Okay. So I'm excited to get the second half of the year going with you all. Again, if you have questions, reach out. If you have, or if you're curious what day we meet, just make sure you look right here. It'll tell you what days and the times. Just come to this class meet, and it's real easy. Okay, guys? Other than that, again, reach out if you need me, and I'm excited to get this going. Bye, guys.